Is it the right time to make a decision about Microsoft stock? In this video, we will delve deep into Microsoft. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, December 6, 2023. Now, we are here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Make sure to subscribe, like this video, and turn on notifications to stay updated on our latest analysis. Don't miss out on any critical updates that could impact your investments. Improve your trading decisions with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, available at StockInvest.us. Harness the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since October 24, 2023, our system has identified Microsoft as a buy candidate, with a score of 2.87. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. For those who followed our analysis, you would have experienced an impressive gain of 11.58% since we first recommended Microsoft as a buy 31 days ago. This translates to an average daily return of 0.37% since it was listed as a buy candidate. Currently, this stock is experiencing a strong rising trend in the short term, indicating the potential for further growth. Based on the last 3 months, there is a projected 19.85% change in the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from 15.85% to 26.36%. Looking at the long term, the 12-month trend suggests a 50.76% change, with potential returns between 37.67% and 57.72%. In other words, the price could range from $507.72 to $581.66 after a year. In our latest update on Microsoft, we have some important news to share. The headline reads, Microsoft stock price ended at $368.80 on Wednesday, experiencing a 1% loss. On the last trading day, which was Wednesday, December 6, 2023, the Microsoft stock price fell by 1% from $372.52 to $368.80. Throughout the day, the stock showed fluctuations, ranging from a low of $368.03 to a high of $374.18, a difference of 1.67%. Over the past 2 weeks, there has been a loss of 1.14%. It's worth noting that the decrease in volume on the last day aligns with the stock's decline, indicating a positive trend. The trading volume decreased by 2 million shares, with a total of 20 million shares being bought and sold, amounting to approximately $7.43 billion. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest price the stock reached was $384.30, while the lowest price was $219.35. At present, the stock is 4.03% lower than its 52-week high, standing at $15.50 below at $368.80. It's interesting to note that this price also represents the all-time high for the stock. Today, let's talk about some recent analyst ratings for Microsoft Corporation. On Tuesday, December 5, 2023, Needham gave Microsoft a hold grade with a hold action. Moving on to Tuesday, November 21, 2023, Piper Sandler gave Microsoft an overweight grade with a hold action. Now, let's turn to Thursday, November 16, 2023, when Wedbush gave Microsoft an outperform grade with a hold action. On the same day, Mizuho Securities gave Microsoft a buy grade with a hold action. And finally, on Monday, November 6, 2023, Bernstein gave Microsoft a buy grade with a hold action. Analysts have given Microsoft stock a highly positive rating of strong buy. They strongly recommend investing in Microsoft due to its favorable PE ratio and price to book, both rated as strong buy. However, when it comes to return on investment, the analysts have a more neutral stance. The following signals have been identified for Microsoft. The Microsoft stock currently shows a sell signal from the short-term moving average. However, there is a buy signal from the long-term average. Since the short-term average is above the long-term average, this indicates a general buy signal for the stock, giving a positive forecast. If the stock continues to rise, it may encounter resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $375.06. On the other hand, if it falls, it may find support from the long-term average at approximately $358.34. A breakup through the short-term average will send a buy signal, while a breakdown through the long-term average will send a sell signal. Some negative signals have also been issued, which may influence the near short-term development. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Tuesday, November 28, 2023, resulting in a current decrease of -3.63%. Further decline is expected until a new bottom pivot is found. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, MACD. Volume has decreased along with the price during the last trading day, reducing the overall risk as volume tends to follow price movements. Here are some other signals that you might find interesting. The Moving Average Convergence Divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots show a sell signal 7 days ago. The Bollinger Indicator suggests a buy signal 18 days ago. The short-term moving average indicates a sell signal 5 days ago. The long-term moving average indicates a buy signal 44 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal 40 days ago. Now, let's take a look at the 12-month chart. The short moving average indicates a sell signal 4 days ago. The long-term moving average suggests a buy signal 28 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal 25 days ago. If you want to discover more signals, visit our page at StockInvest.us. Let's talk about support, risk, and stop loss for Microsoft. When it comes to support levels, Microsoft has some important ones just below today's level. These levels are at $340.67 and $330.22. Support levels are crucial because if they are broken, the stock may fall further and find support at the next level. So, for Microsoft, if the support level at $340.67 breaks, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $330.22 and $327.89. Now, let's talk about the risk involved. Microsoft is known for its controlled movements and good liquidity, which makes the risk considered very low in this stock. In fact, the stock has been showing a daily average volatility of 1.72% over the past week. This means that the stock has been relatively stable and predictable. Before we discuss the potential trading levels for Microsoft, let's quickly go over some important fundamental data. First, let's talk about the price-to-earnings ratio, also known as the P/E ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. Microsoft has a relatively normal P/E ratio, which is often observed in companies with a long history or predictable revenue streams. Moving on to other news, the next earnings report for Microsoft's fourth quarter of 2023 is expected to be released on January 23, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for the earnings per share are $2.75. It's important to keep an eye on these figures as they can significantly impact stock prices. Let's dive into potential day trading levels for Microsoft. If the market is trending upwards, keep an eye on the first resistance level at $369.67. If you're not already invested, consider waiting until this level is surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold Microsoft stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the other hand, if the market is heading downwards, Microsoft faces its first support level at $340.67. If this support level holds, it might be a promising entry point, anticipating a rebound in the stock price. According to multiple analyst sources, Microsoft has received a strong buy rating on average. Now, let's dive into some recent insider trades. On December 1, 2023, Smith Bradford L. sold 10,000 shares of common stock. On November 30, 2023, Hoya Alice L. sold 451,859 shares of common stock. On November 30, 2023, Nomoto Takeshi sold 368,341 shares of common stock. On November 29, 2023, Nomoto Takeshi bought 0 shares of common stock. On October 13, 2023, Microsoft Corp bought 0 shares of Class A common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, the insider power ratio is positive at 77.516. Overall, insiders have purchased 2,529,364 shares and sold 329,970 shares in the last 100 trades. We highly recommend setting a stop loss at $350.22, which represents a decrease of 5.04%. This particular stock has relatively stable daily movements, indicating lower risk. Additionally, we have identified a sell signal from a pivot top that occurred 6 days ago. Is Microsoft stock a good buy? Based on our analysis, there are several positive short-term signals and a general good trend, indicating that there may be a buying opportunity for Microsoft stock. When we look at the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems find that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Thursday, December 7th, we expect Microsoft to open up $1.54 and start trading at $370.34. Before we dive into the content, it's important to remember that trading comes with a high risk of losing money. We strongly advise you to consult with a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions regarding securities. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By using the information provided, you agree to take full responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest, where we provide our current view on the stock market. We value your opinion, so please share your thoughts by commenting below. We'd love to hear your target for this stock as well. Don't forget to like and subscribe to stay updated with our latest content. Wishing you successful trading and a beautiful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.